Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying compatibility and essentials. Check your operating system and microphone quality, because a bad mic ruins the effect. Next, install the Voice Changer app or plugin and grant microphone and system audio permissions so routing works. Once done, open System Sound Settings and set your physical microphone as the default input. Make sure no other apps are holding the mic. This first step prevents conflicts and ensures the voice changer can intercept clean audio, which is why you must now focus on routing and sound design. In the voice changer, select your physical mic as the input and enable any preamp or noise gate to reduce background hiss. Then pick a preset or craft a custom profile. Adjust pitch, formant, reverb, and EQ slowly so the voice stays intelligible. Once satisfied, route the processed audio to a virtual audio device and set that virtual device as the input in your chat or streaming app. This routing is crucial, so the other side hears the altered voice. Finish by testing the complete chain on your target app. Join a call or record a sample and listen back. Make micro adjustments, reduce buffer size for lower latency, or increase it if you hear crackles. Lock sample rate to prevent pitch drift between devices. If something goes wrong, restart the voice changer and your audio services, reassign input/output devices in both system and app, and update drivers or the app. This single troubleshooting step, restarting and reassigning devices, fixes most routing problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.